In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page background in Systeme IO. If you want your funnel pages to feel more on-brand or simply pop a bit more, updating the background is a quick win. We'll walk through setting a solid color or an image, and I'll share a few tips so your page stays clean and readable. Start by heading to Funnels in your dashboard and open the specific page you want to edit. This takes you into the list of steps or variations for that funnel. Choose the page you're working on so we're modifying the correct place. Next, click Edit Page. This opens the visual builder where you can see your layout and content. Give it a second to load and then you'll be ready to make changes. Now decide whether you want to change the background for the entire page or just a specific section. If you're updating a single section, click directly on that section in the editor so it's highlighted. If you want a site-wide change within this page, look for the Page Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon or a Settings tab. Either way, you'll be working inside a settings panel for what you've selected. Within those settings, find the background area. This is where you control the visual layer behind your text, images, and buttons. It's typically labeled background and will show options for color or image. Choose what suits your design. For a color, pick from the color picker or paste a hex code if you have a brand color. Solid colors are great for clarity and fast loading. For an image, upload your own file. Aim for a high-quality image that isn't too heavy. Compressed JPGs or optimized PNGs usually work well. Consider textures, subtle patterns, or brand imagery that doesn't compete with your headlines. If your text needs to stand out, pick lighter images behind dark text or darker images behind light text for strong contrast. After the image loads, adjust size and position if needed. Use options like cover to fill the section without stretching, or contain if you want the whole image visible. Position the focal point, center, top, or bottom, so important parts of the image don't get cropped. If there's a repeat toggle, turn it off for photos and on only for small patterns. Fine-tune until your content is easy to read and the background looks balanced. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes. That locks in your background update and keeps your design consistent the next time you open the editor. And that's it. Your Systeme IO page now has a polished background that supports your content and your brand.